Got a Nissan Titan with a dysfunctional backup camera? Let's dive in and fix it today. First things first, check the basics. Is your vehicle in reverse? Sometimes it's the simplest things. Next, inspect the camera lens. Dirt or debris. Give it a gentle wipe. A clean lens can often solve the problem. Still no luck? It's time to check the connections. Pop open the tailgate and locate the camera. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Sometimes a loose wire is the culprit. If the camera is still not working, it might be a software issue. Try restarting your infotainment system. Turn the vehicle off, wait a few minutes, and turn it back on. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it could be a fuse issue. Check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the camera system. Replace any blown fuses with the appropriate rating. If you've tried all these steps and it's still not working, it might be time to visit a professional. But hey, you gave it a solid shot. So, that's it. Fixing your Nissan Titan backup camera can be easy with a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips.